Unplug today for a better tomorrow. Electrical devices, even when they're turned off, are still using energy when they're plugged in. Know the value of energy conservation before it's too late. When you unplug at home, less raw materials are used for making electricity, resulting in a decline for new energy and transmission sources. Establishing a greener, energy-efficient home results in less energy being distributed to your household. And because you're saving electricity at home, you can save up to 10% on your electric bill. In 2014, residential electricity accounted for 11% of the United States carbon dioxide emissions. Turn off your electronics when not in use to reduce your carbon footprint by thousands of pounds of CO2 each year. Unplug today for a better tomorrow.